So I love my old donkeys as much as the next man. And 90% of modern driving aids are exactly that, just aids. Horrible, horrible things that turn us all into useless drivers. But cruise control is bloody lovely. So I'm going to show you how to fit that to any old bag of turds for about a tenner. It's good, isn't it? So I was conning you ever so slightly when I called that cruise control because, well, it's not. It's just a throttle lock. Very simple, very easy to do. So obviously we've got normal throttle when you're not engaging the switch. Then when you rev it up to wherever you want when you're on the motorway, you think, oh, I'm doing 70, flick your old switch on, and then it'll just hold it there and keep you cracking on at whatever speed you need. And then when you're done, flick it off, and she's back to normal. Yeah, I'll show you what you've got to do to your throttle pedal to get such technology in your vehicle. So I've popped that pedal out now. As you can see, there's only 2 bolts on mine, nice and easy. But all I've had to do, whack that little bit of metal on there, and if you look in there, you can see where I've fitted the electromagnet, which I'll pop there on the screen. That's all you need to buy in there. That's your really expensive part of the build. And then when you're putting your throttle down, that'll move up and down there, flick the switch, and it'll hold wherever you want it. And then obviously pops back off when you turn it off. So that's all you need to do down there. And then obviously just find somewhere. I've had this lovely little space. It was just dying for a switch. So I've obviously just put that switch I've popped here, put one of them in there, operate that as you're driving. Easy on off. There you go. Simple as that. You've got cruise control in your old vehicle now. Mint.